Hello friends, welcome to the next video of Techno Alex channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your friends or girlfriends or others WhatsApp account in your own phone. So first of all you should to come to the Google Chrome in your phone, and here you should to search down WhatsApp web. You can see WhatsApp web. You should to request a desktop site, and after this you should to click on this WhatsApp web. Okay, it's loading, and here your scan code is also loading, and you will see here your WhatsApp scan code. Here you can see your WhatsApp scan code. So let's turn on your girlfriend's mobile phone, and here you will choose here WhatsApp web. In WhatsApp web. So after WhatsApp web you should to scan your this WhatsApp scan code, and it's loading. Here you can see your girlfriend's WhatsApp account in your phone, and let's chat with her friends, like this account. I will write down here hello and send it. Here you can see it's also shown in your girlfriend's phone, hello. So are you there? And here you will get this, are you there? Wow, it's amazing. So let's try on another person, like that guy, and here you should write down here, and here you can see it's also write down in your girlfriend's phone. And if you want to delete this from your phone, so you should to come to WhatsApp web, and here you should to click on this currently active and log out. After clicking on log out, here in your Google web.whatsapp.com will be removed automatically. Wait for this, and here you can see it's log outed and there is no account here.